What's up everyone, this is Wayne from Fade to Black and I want to show you how to take your garage from this to this in less than 10 minutes for less than 175 bucks. Follow me. You can see from behind me, this garage only has 6 LED can lights in it. So I don't know why on earth someone only want to put 6 lights in this whole big garage space. So I like to use this garage in the winter so that I can tint and do vehicles out here instead of using my big shop. So one thing I definitely need is some good lighting. So I went by another guy's house. His name is Jake. He has an awesome YouTube channel. I'll put his link down below. He showed me these lights, LED corn lights. I had never really paid attention to them or seen them, but once I saw them, I was hooked. Got these off Amazon. I have 6 spots for lights in my life, so I bought 6 of these. They're 25 bucks a piece. And since the can is recessed up into the ceiling, I got these little things to make them come down a little bit farther to get clearance so the light wouldn't hit inside the can. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get all 6 of these installed and you can check out the result after they're done. All right, so check it out. I got all 6 corn LED lights installed. As you can probably see, it's this crazy brighter in here right now. I didn't want to have to run new wiring and put new can lights in on that side of the garage right now. I just wanted something quick, something easy to get better light in here so I can see. Because when you're window tinting or doing anything like that, you're really trying to look at the glass, make sure you don't have contamination in the glass. You just really want to be able to see what you're doing. Comment below if you have a set of these or you try these. Comment below and let me know what you think about them. Like I said, for a quick, easy fix without having to spend a ton of money, this definitely got this garage a lot brighter. Smash the subscribe button, like, comment, share. Let me know what you think. I just thought maybe this will help someone. You know, if you have a garage and you've been trying to work out of it and do car stuff like I do, and you just want to get a quick, easy fix to making it brighter so you can see, because I see a lot of people's garages and they just don't have a lot of good light. So this is a quick, easy fix and it really helped me out. So the next video, stay faded. Peace.